Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Mechagodzilla in a fun Sonic the Hedgehog style. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic version of Mechagodzilla, let's begin right here with the eyes. So I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to come back up in like a V shape. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and then down. Next, let's draw a line that's just going to come down and curve in. And then same thing over here. We're just going to bring this down and curve in. Let's make a little smiley face shape and then one right here. Then let's draw a second one, a little bit larger, right around there. Next, right here, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to go over and then up. Then we're going to put a little dot here and a little dot here. Next, starting here, let's draw a circle shape, or more of an oval shape, and then same thing right here. Then we're going to just come down and then up here. Next, we're just going to come down. We're going to go over and then up. And then let's make some triangle-shaped teeth coming right out of the bottom of here. Let's make a little curve on each end right here. Next, starting here, let's bring this up and then down. And then same thing here, bring this up and then down. Now, starting up here, let's make a V shape. And let's make a line that's going to come up, over, and then down for like a spike. Let's make this line come up and then over here. Same thing, we're going to bring this up and then over. Then let's bring this line up and this line up here. Then let's draw a line down here, and we'll just bring it up this way. Then let's draw a line up here, and then a line up here for some detail. Next, starting right here, let's make the body. So let's just kind of curve a line that's just going to go around, and then we're going to bring this up here. Let's make a nice big circle shape inside here for the chest. And then let's make a smaller circle shape towards the bottom. And let's make some little lines that are going to come out of this. And then let's go ahead and draw another circle shape right around here. Let's draw a line that's going to curve down and then come over. Same thing here, kind of curve this down and bring it over. Let's make a little square shape underneath each arm. Then let's bring this long rectangle shape down on each side. Let's make kind of like a trapezoid shape right here. Then over here, let's make a diagonal line. We're going to go down, kind of bring it over, and then up. So we have two different angles for the arms. Right here, let's go up, over, and we're going to kind of curve this down to connect. Then we're going to go up and kind of angle this down for a claw. Let's do another claw that's going to be a little bit more pointy. Let's do another one here. And then let's do one more right here. It's going to be a little bit bigger. Now we'll just kind of make some little lines on here just to kind of show where the fingers are going to bend. And let's go ahead and draw a little line down here for some detail. Now right here, let's just make kind of like an upside down trapezoid shape. Then let's bring this line up. We're going to kind of bend it over and down. We're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down here. We're going to make another one right above it. Then we're going to make one that's going to come up and then it's going to come down. Then we're going to make the thumb right here. Then let's go ahead and put some little lines on here for some little kind of bends in the hand. And we'll do a little line right here. Now right here for the leg, let's just go and make a little circle shape and another one right here. We'll draw a little rectangle that's going to come down here and then one that's going to come out here. We'll make a line across here and then we're just going to go down, over, and up. And then right here we'll put a little curve and we're going to bring this line up, over, and then down, and then we'll bring it back up. We're just going to bring this line down and then up here for the foot. We'll put a little line that's going to come up and in. Then we'll go out and kind of curve this around. Right here, we're just going to make kind of like a circle shape with a little circle inside. We'll make this line come down and then kind of curve up to here. We'll make this line come over and then curve up here. We'll make a little line here, a line here, and a line here. Let's put a little circle in here, and then a line here, and a line here. And then we'll do a line right across.